Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to replace the air filter on a Subaru Outback. Begin by parking on level ground, engaging the parking brake, and waiting for the engine to cool. Open the hood, locate the rectangular air box near the intake, and remove fasteners. Keep track of screws and clips, then gently separate the housing, inspect the old filter for debris, and have the replacement ready to install. With the cover removed, focus on gentle, steady motions to avoid breaking plastic tabs. Remove screws or unclip latches and lift the lid straight up, watching for trapped hoses. Slide the old filter out while noting its orientation so the new one fits the same way. Take a moment to vacuum or wipe the housing if you see dirt, leaves, or oil residue before placing the new filter. Place the new filter into the housing matching the airflow arrows or the old filter's orientation. Press the cover down evenly and fasten screws or clips snugly without over-tightening to prevent cracking plastic. Ensure rubber seals sit flush and hoses are clear of pinch points. Start the engine to confirm normal idle and listen for unusual sounds, and you're done with a fresh filter that helps efficiency and engine life.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.